say something.
Okay, we're in a camper van by the side of the A272, having broken down for the second time on our little tour with Milton Hyde. And if you can hear that little tink tink noise, here we go. This is the hazard warning lights, because
we've been listening to that for the last 2 hours.
So by the time you've listened to that for a while, the beat gets in your head. So we've had the musical instruments in the car, so here's a song.
This is called, imaginatively enough, the A272.
From Hastings up to Fishguard Bay, we took the van on tour, stopping off in Merseden at the lovely Carpenters. The Brecon beacons beckon for a stop upon the way. We broke down by the Lamb and Flag on a lovely sunny day. Outside the Lamb and Flag, outside the Lamb and Flag. We could be stuck on the motorway, but we're gazing at hills so far away. It's pretty here, so it's here we'll stay, outside the Lamb and Flag. The exhaust fell off that lovely day in Abergavenny. The ETA and Andy from Lane's Recovery took us back to Llanfechtrin, there to make repair, and we enjoyed a pleasant stroll in the middle of nowhere. The middle of nowhere, the middle of nowhere. We could be stuck on the motorway, but we're gazing at hills so far away. It's pretty here, so it's here we'll stay, in the middle of nowhere. The journey back was without hitch, well it had been so far. We almost got to Cheesefoot Head, just past Winchester. Suddenly the clutch went pop, but we knew just what to do. Once more we called the ATA from the A272. The A272, the A272. We could be stuck on the motorway, but we're gazing at hills so far away. It's pretty here, so it's here we'll stay, by the A272.
Instrumental.
Sitting in the camper van, waiting for a call. The clutch has gone, we can't move on, we can't do bugger all. Recovery will be 2 hours, we'll have a cup of tea. My bladder's full, open the door so I can have a wee. On the A272, the A272. We could be stuck on the motorway, but we're gazing at hills so far away. It's pretty here, so it's here we'll stay, on the A272. The A272, the A272. We could be stuck on the motorway, but we're gazing at hills so far away. It's pretty here, so it's here we'll stay, on the A272.
I think you should do the last verse as I can have a wee.
I can have a wee.
So I can have a wee. I can have a wee. It's pretty here, so here we'll stay. Something like that.
We
What is
could
it?
be. We could be stuck on the motorway, gazing at hills so far away.